Good day, ladies and gentlemen. As remain Mr. Ruben Official. Do you know that you can purchase your eJam code online without standing in a queue in a bank or going to CB Center and being stressed out? All you just have to do is just to DM me on WhatsApp and I will ask you for some credentials. When you drop this, I'm going to help you purchase your code with a minimum amount of 5,500. And to make it more enlightened, you will get your code via SMS and via your email address. All you just have to do is to DM me on WhatsApp or call me and I'll help you do everything you need to do for your Jamb e-profile code just for a minimum of 500 naira. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and like our videos cause we are gonna help you. All the Jambites students for 2022, please endeavor to spread these messages to your friends and well wishers so that they can be able to save themselves the stress with just a token of 5,500 and I'll get your e-pin to you live and direct online. Thanks.